Each time I look at the way things are being run in this country, it gets me tired all the time. Our leaders left what they're supposed to be doing. What they're supposed to be doing in the country. For everyone in this country to feel good, they left all those things and focusing on the issues that does not matter in the society. Since this government came in, all they have been doing is constructing roads. Wike is constructing in Abuja. Omar is constructing Coastal Highway. All our governors, all the first is constructing road. Why people constructing road? Why there's no food for the masses to eat? Why there's nothing that the masses will feed on? I will not be person wey shop. They buy motor to drive for road. No person wey shop food, person wey shop belle food. They buy motor. They drive for road. Hungry man, they drive motor. No. People are suffering in this country. Mr. President, please hear our cry. People are crying. People are dying in this country. Hunger is killing people. Hunger is killing everybody in this country. There's no youth now. I can count some youth that will boast of 1,000 naira in their pockets. If you come to the streets of this country, the streets of some of our states, people are dying, people are crying, people are helpless in the society. The people should leave road construction and boost our economy and make this work in this country. Use that money people are using to construct all those roads. Use it and do something for the poor masses. Use it and build something and build companies that people employ the citizens of this country into. Nigeria is lacking a lot, and that's why everyone in this country, all our doctors are leaving this country just to search for greener pasture abroad, because there's nothing working in this country. Please, Mr. President, do something that will shape this country. Thank you.